Okay.
Help.
Go.
Hiccups. Excuse me, class, I have the hiccup. I can drink a glass of water. Miss Green, drink a glass of water. Hiccup. Excuse me, I still have the hiccup. I can take a deep breath and hold it. Excuse me, I still have the hiccup. I cannot press the room for a minute. May I come in, boo? The children laugh and laugh. Hey, I don't take things like hiccup, 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 and now we do.
Oh, that's good.